Alright guys, so I was going to upload this video yesterday, but I didn't want to half-ass it. I didn't want to just show ComplexCon. I also want to take a second to show you guys the MCA Museum. So at the end of this video, you guys will get some footage from inside the Chicago Museum that has the Virgil installation. So for those of you guys that are not able to travel to Chicago or don't just want to see pictures, you guys can get some good video of it. Please, if you guys like these travel videos where I go other places and I try new shit, please take a second to smash that like button down below. I would really, really appreciate it if this video could get 1,500 likes. And of course, take a second to leave a comment. And then if you are not subscribed, subscribe and turn on notifications. The comments, the likes, the subscriptions, all that does help the channel grow. So if you like the content, please take a second to do just that. Even if you don't like the content, support your boy. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. And now let's get to the video. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's a baby crying. Anyways, I'm currently heading to Chicago. I mean, you guys know by the title where I'm going at. But anyways, let's hit the road. Wait, I don't know why I say hit the road. I should say hit the air, but yeah.
All aboard suitcases should fit overhead wheels.
Never mind. Guys, it's official. We've arrived. Let me turn my brightness up a little bit. And we are in the hotel with Chris Montante. Happy late birthday.
Thank you. I'm sick of you, bruh. Don't pull up on me.
Okay, anyway, so...
I'm about to freestyle.
Please don't. Please, for the love.
Who want to play 3-on-3?
No one wants to play 3-on-3.
Shout out to StockX. I got my store credit.
Yeah, big shout to StockX, that's for sure.
I ain't need to use cash. I didn't even use debit. My flow's ridiculous. I come from LA. But don't get it twisted. I was born in the Bay. My freestyle is vicious. It's like Sid. Y'all just mad. Because they hating on the kid.
Okay, anyways. Bars, baby, bars. Anyways, so we are... bro, you're just gonna interrupt me like that. Come on. Just enjoy your view. Let me do my thing. Anyway, so we've arrived in Chicago for ComplexCon. I fucking hate these guys anyway. Good morning, YouTube. So currently, Kais, Chris, both of them are sleeping. It's time to get up though, okay, because it's ComplexCon. I gotta try to get there early so I can get the Atmos. I don't think they really care. You know, Kai's be making all that YouTube money, so he don't really give a fuck about that. He'll just pay resale later. But last night was lit. Went out to this like Phase Midnight Studios little thing. That was fun. I actually kind of got a little buzzed, which is weird because I normally don't drink at all. Let's go over to the ComplexCon line, see what we pick up. I've already spent $700 on this trip. I picked up the MCAs. Kind of worth it because those shoes are... Nah, they're okay. But anyways, we'll talk more about that later. Okay, so it's about to get hectic right now. They're letting people in. Bro, kids are running. Alright, so I may not have gotten in at 9, but thankfully I do not have to wait in this general admission line because that shit is terrible and looks absolutely horrid. Shit, there's another line over here. There are so many motherfuckers here, but we're right to the front. Hopefully they let us in ASAP because, oh shit, maybe this line is the one because they're letting people in. This is all three of you guys, huh? Yeah. That's fucking hard, man. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but a quick look at some of the pickups. Shout to Absent, Half Evil, and of course Sukami. You got the three-way collaboration. Damn. Alright, y'all, so I've been kicking it at the booth with Half Evil, Absent, Sukami. I don't know if Sukami has a tag. Does Sukami have a tag? What? Where's the Sukami tag at?
I'm waiting for the ladder.
Oh, shit.
I'm waiting for the ladder.
Coming soon. I'm gonna have to show the finish one.
I'm half Todd and half Evil.
Bro, I feel your pain. We're like the same height, you know?
Let me get on your shoulders, we can get it up there.
together. Anyways, let's go see what ComplexCon's got to offer. I already got some pickups. I got some in this bag. I got some stuff right here. So I'll show you guys some dope shit at the end of the video. To eat, and this is a vibe. Look at the view. What are we eating?
Deep dish, bitch.
Wait, aren't you on a diet?
Fuck no.
Deep dish.
I have vegan salad right
yeah,
now.
vegan salad. Yeah.
Getting kinda hard to breathe again in my own skin. Long
definitely announced 5. Yeah.
Cut me off as soon as I said Redman.
You're like Prison Jizza.
He was defending himself, and I was like, because we saw a Liquid Swords tee, and I was like, hey, Jizza, now you just need 4 more. And then he announced him, and then he was like, he jokingly said Redman, but.
She's been running around this one round for days. I've been looking all over to find a space, but now all these thoughts I'm trying to raise.
Alright, I do not know if you can hear me, but we are about done for the first day of Complex. I'm gonna kick it for a little bit longer, probably go kick it with Half Evil. I'm currently looking for Kais. I lost Kais. I was talking for way too long in the Puma booth, but it was really, really interesting talking to Ashley from Puma. Super cool experience, definitely amazing. Puma is like killing it right now. But moving on, yeah, let's go over to Half Evil. Alright, so we are at Half Evil. Absent, Sukami, Legends. Pleasure, my brother. It's been a pleasure. I'm gonna need some of those pants, bro. They go crazy. This right here, this man is Supreme Copies himself, the legend. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go like this, Boom. Yeah, like this, boom, boom. There we go. My man Parker right here. Hey, you know. Good. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? We got a lot of shit, guys.
Not on my motherfucker.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Solid Way Minute. Today we are going to go over some of these pickups that I got at ComplexCon, as you guys saw. Currently, it is day 2 at ComplexCon. It's the morning time. Kais is in the shower. He has been looking homeless all morning editing videos. But here we go. Let's go over some of these pickups. First of all, I got some pickups from actually some really dope low-key brands. As you guys can see, this is a brand Absent. Absent is super sick. As you can see, he's these Swarovski. I just said as you can see twice. Anyway, Swarovski crystals right there on the shirt. And then we got this Polo Bear play right here, which has him wearing an Absent hoodie and an Absent or some Absent sandals. Super sick hoodie. If you guys are not following them on Instagram, change your life, go follow them. They dropped these. I do not know if they're dropping in more colorways. Hopefully they do, because I would like to pick one up. Now, I also got some stuff from, excuse me. This right here is Absent, Half Evil, and Sukami collaboration. You got the Absent logo right there. The Half Evil 3 with the Sukami little star figurine right there. All crystallized on that motherfucking hoodie. I did get some stuff from Half Evil before we go in there, because it's under the pile. I'm gonna go over some other stuff that I got. I got this from Midnight Studios, as you can see, also crystallized. That seems to be the theme of today's pickup. We also got this from Midnight Studios, which says, Jesus loves Midnight Studios. So anyways, it says After Hours on the back, as you can see. We got this from Half Evil. You got the 333 all inflamed, and then Half Evil right there. Super sick brand, by the way. Definitely, if you guys have not checked out Absent, Half Evil, or Sukami, check them out. I will be featuring them in a low-key brand unboxing very soon. We got this little thing right here. This was gifted to me from Dark Prism Clothing, as you can see. It's like this little necklace, super dope. And the individual that I met was a super, super nice gal. Her packaging is like on point, and I'm really excited to see what she does in the future. We have this right here, which is Air Industries. This is a play on World Industries. It's got the little flame and the drip drop. Drip drippin'! That was given to me. Also, I got this right here from FaZe Clan. This is a FaZe Clan Champion hoodie. Super nice. Like the cable stitching on this, get a close up. So freaking beautiful. Absolutely delicious. And then I actually did get another one of these for my boy Harrison Neville. I got this right here, which is the Chicago StockX pocket tee. And yes, you already know this video is not brought to you by StockX, but it's about to be. If you guys do not know what StockX is, make sure you guys go check it out. I will leave a link in the description down below. StockX is a great online platform to buy and sell brand new sneakers, Supreme, watches, tons of stuff. They did have a pop-up that I did not film at, but I did take a picture at on my Instagram. Go follow me. And on top of that, I did cop the MCA Chicago Air Forces. Okay, anyways, moving on. We have the Malcolm X tee right here, as you guys can see. It's kind of like this like a dot print Malcolm right there. And then on the back, you have the famous picture of Malcolm X looking out the window, which was redone by KRS-One from Boogie Down Productions. You have a little quote right there. And then you have this as well. Both of these tees are from this brand called Baby Wax. He definitely blessed it, hooked me up, and I really, really fuck with this one as well. It's kind of on this wash tee. It says Baby Wax right here. You got this neon sign with like Chucky doll inspiration. Last but not least, I got 2 other things to discuss. I got this right here, which is this little choker chain necklace thing. It's made of like acrylic, and it's made out of these. So these things right here are... So these things right here are super fucking sick. I wanted one of these for a while. It's from Christopher Kites, who is kind of like known for doing these. And then last but not least, I just missed that bag. I just tried putting it in the bag and it just failed. Okay, so we have these from Converse. These are the Converse Chinatown Market collaboration. Basically, once you put UV light on this, it'll change colors. You can kind of see right there's a little bit of green. Yeah, it's like this all UV white. So once light or UV light shines on this, it will change colors. Look, it's like this right here. A little tag. Okay, so anyways, that should be everything. I might be missing things because I just had to refilm this entire video. Today is ComplexCon day 2. I may film there, I probably won't. However, I will probably film at the MCA Museum. As you guys can see, we are here. Just checked out the exhibit. I got a water bottle, nothing else because I'm a broke, cheap ass little. But I did get some stuff from RZP Gallery. I got my acrylic grill in, my acrylic chain on. Much love. I'm so freaking tired. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, here's some footage from inside the museum.
And I'm not just gonna be lonely. I feel that way. And every day I worry I won't see you again.